The common electrolytes are soluble ionic compounds like sodium chloride, ammonium nitrate, and some type of acid. So we have strong acid down here, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so these two, once we dissolve these two in water, they dissociate in water and produce cation and anion. You should be able to write the hydration process or dissolving process. So for example, sodium chloride solid, right? In water, so we have sodium ion and chloride ion. We've done this together before. Same thing with hydrochloric acid. Put into water, you get proton and a chloride ion. Okay, yeah, and only some acid are electrolyte. Usually the strong acid are electrolyte. The weak acid not really electrolyte. They don't dissociate in water. Okay, all right. Now, if now let's take a look at this dissociation though. If I have the 4 units of magnesium bromide, how many ions for each, like magnesium and bromide ion, will we have? Let's say assume complete dissociation. Let's say they all dissolve. Okay, so we're going to end up, so we have 4 units of magnesium bromide. We're going to end up with 4 magnesium ion, but 8 bromide ion. Does it make sense? Because there's bromide 2 right here. So we have 8 bromide total in this molecule. Okay, so take a look right here. So let's say if we start out with 1 molar magnesium bromide solution. When magnesium bromide dissolve in water, so they dissociate, we're gonna end up with 1 molar magnesium ion plus 2 molar bromide ion. Okay, because it's double. We have double amount of bromine in there. Let's try one more time. Let's try to answer this question. Okay, if I have if I dissolve lithium sulfate in water, right? Of course, they're gonna split up into 2 lithium ion and a sulfate ion. If I start with 3 molar lithium sulfate, how many? What is the molarity of lithium ion? Well, it's gonna double. So it's 1:2 ratio here. See that? So it's gonna double. So you should have 6 molar of lithium ion in the solution, and only 3 molar sulfate ion because it's 1:1. It's 1:1 ratio. So 1 here, 1 there. But we only have 1 sulfate per unit of the whole thing. Okay, but 2 lithium per the whole unit of lithium sulfate. Whatever concentration we start with, you will get double the amount of lithium ion and the same amount of the sulfate. All right. So first off, I'll do the first one for you. You do the second one. Okay. Write an ionic dissociation equation for each of the following and find the concentration. All right. We have 2.4 molar potassium carbonate. All right. So start with the writing the ionic dissociation equation. So we have 2 units of potassium per unit of potassium carbonate. See that? So I should get 2 potassium ion and 1 carbonate ion. All right. Start with 2.4 molar potassium carbonate. I should get 4.8 molar potassium ion and 2.4 carbonate ion. That's it. Super simple there. Easy math. All right. Do the bottom one here and check with me. Ammonium chloride dissolved in water totally. Ammonium totally dissolved. You should get, well, it's 1 unit of ammonium per 1 unit of ammonium chloride and 1 unit of chloride per unit of ammonium chloride. See that? So you should get 1:1 ratio, 1 and 1. 7.3 molar ammonium chloride, you're going to get the same number, 7.3 molar ammonium ion and 7.3 molar chloride ion. Okay.